Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage dual connection for your headphones Sony. And right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and have an application, and the second one do not. So open the application on your first device, then scroll down, go to device settings. After that go to the system, and right here you need to enable it. So click at the slider and then click OK. And right here, as you can see, we have the information, so what devices we have. So you can or turn off your headphones and then enter to prank mode after that, or you can click connect to new device, and right here it enter to prank mode automatically, so click on it at the device list and then click pair. Okay. And now, as you can see, we add two devices at the same time, simultaneously. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.